25 great small business ideas to start in 2023. 1. E-commerce store for niche products. The e-commerce industry is constantly growing, offering business owners chances to target particular niches. You can build an online store that targets a niche market by selling eco-friendly goods, handcrafted items, or one-of-a-kind collectibles. You may reach your target market by creating a solid online presence and using social media. 2. Mobile app development. Demand for mobile apps is always increasing, making it profitable to set up a company that develops mobile applications. Apps can be made for a variety of uses, such as productivity, health, and finances. This is a field that offers plenty of choices if you know how to write code or have access to a strong development team. 3. Eco-friendly and sustainable products. Market demand for eco-friendly and sustainable goods is expanding as environmental awareness grows. Whether it is eco-friendly clothing, reusable household items, or organic cosmetics, starting a business in this sector enables you to benefit the environment while earning money. 4. Health and wellness coaching. The health and wellness industry is expanding, and more individuals are looking for advice on how to lead healthier lifestyles. As a health and wellness coach, you can assist people in reaching their exercise objectives, controlling their stress levels, and adopting better lifestyles. Certification and expertise in this field are essential to build trust with clients. 5. Subscription box services. Subscription box services offer a convenient way for consumers to discover new products. Whether it's niche snacks, beauty products, books, or pet supplies, curating and delivering subscription boxes can be a profitable venture. Focus on delivering value and creating a memorable unboxing experience for your subscribers. 6. Digital marketing agency. Due to the fact that companies are constantly trying to improve their online presence, there is a large need for digital marketing services. Working as a digital marketing agency and providing solutions like search engine optimization, SEO, social media management, and pay-per-click advertising may help organizations prosper online. 7. Virtual event planning. The events industry has adapted to the digital age, with virtual events becoming increasingly popular. Specializing in virtual event planning can be a lucrative business. You can help clients organize and host webinars, virtual conferences, and online gatherings, offering a range of services from technical support to event marketing. 8. Handmade crafts and artwork. Consider starting a small business out of your talent as an artist or craftsperson. Selling your homemade goods online or in neighborhood markets can be a fulfilling way to make money while showcasing your talent. 9. Drop shipping business. Drop shipping is a low-risk way to enter the e-commerce space. You partner with suppliers to sell products without holding inventory. Your focus is on marketing and customer service, making it a suitable choice for entrepreneurs with limited upfront capital. 10. Personal fitness training and coaching. Personal trainers and coaches are in high demand in the health and fitness sector. You can launch your own personal fitness training business if you are a qualified fitness professional. Customize workout schedules and offer direction to assist clients in achieving their fitness objectives. 11. Social media management. All sizes of businesses require a significant social media presence. Consider becoming a social media manager if you have an aptitude for social media. You will be in charge of coming up with and managing content, interacting with followers, and expanding the online communities of your clients. 12. Senior care services. The need for senior care services is rising as the population ages. Seniors in your neighborhood can benefit from in-home care, companionship, and help with daily tasks. This company not only offers a useful service but also enables you to significantly impact people's lives. 13. Content writing and copywriting services. In the digital age, content is king, and businesses require high-quality written content for their websites, blogs, and marketing materials. If you have strong writing skills, consider offering content writing and copywriting services. Your words can help businesses engage their audience and drive results. 14. Online language instruction. Online language instruction has gained popularity as people seek to learn new languages for personal or professional development. If you are proficient in multiple languages, you can offer online language instruction services. Create lesson plans and provide one-on-one or group sessions to help learners achieve their language goals. 15. Niche consulting services. Do you have specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field? Consider starting a niche consulting business. Whether it's financial consulting, marketing strategy, or industry-specific guidance, there are businesses looking for your expert insights. 16. Renovation and home improvement services. With homeowners constantly looking to enhance the value and aesthetics of their homes, the renovation and home improvement industry remains robust. You can offer services like kitchen remodels, bathroom renovations, or general home repairs. Building a reputation for quality work and reliability can lead to a thriving business. 17. Personal chef and meal preparation. People are busier than ever and often seek convenient meal options. As a personal chef, you can cater to busy individuals and families by providing personalized meal preparation services. Offer diverse menus, dietary options, and delivery services to make your clients' lives easier and more enjoyable. 18. Event photography and videography. Photography and videography services are essential for capturing life's special moments. If you have a passion for visual storytelling, consider starting a business in event photography and videography. From weddings and birthdays to corporate events, there's a demand for skilled professionals who can preserve cherished memories. 19. Pet services. Pet owners want the best care for their furry friends, and this presents an array of business opportunities. You can offer pet grooming, pet sitting, or dog walking services. Building trust with pet owners and ensuring the safety and well-being of their pets is essential in this industry. 20. Specialty coffee shop. The love for specialty coffee has grown into a global trend. Starting a specialty coffee shop allows you to serve unique coffee blends, artisanal pastries, and a welcoming ambience to coffee enthusiasts. Location and a well-curated menu are crucial factors for success in this business. 21. Mobile car detailing and cleaning. Car owners often seek the convenience of mobile car detailing and cleaning services. To deliver a full and enjoyable service, this firm needs to pay close attention to the little things and employ high-quality items. Offering packages for various service levels might draw in a broad clientele. 22. Virtual assistant services. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks but may not require a full-time in-house assistant. Virtual assistant services can bridge this gap by offering support with tasks such as scheduling, email management, research, and more. Time management and organizational skills are key attributes for success in this role. 23. Home-based bakeries and catering. If you have a passion for baking and cooking, consider starting a home-based bakery or catering business. You can specialize in custom cakes, cupcakes, cookies, or full catering services for events and celebrations. Building a reputation for delicious and visually appealing creations can lead to a steady stream of orders. 24. Technology repair and support services. As technology becomes increasingly integral to our lives, the need for tech repair and support services is on the rise. You can offer services like computer repair, smartphone screen replacement, and tech support. Staying updated with the latest technology trends and acquiring the necessary technical skills are crucial in this business. 25. Organic farming and agriculture. With a growing emphasis on sustainable and organic food, there are opportunities in organic farming and agriculture. Start your own organic farm with an emphasis on produce, livestock, or both. Products made locally and organically are in high demand, especially for people who care about the environment. Thanks for watching this video.